In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete QuickBooks chart of accounts. In QuickBooks Online, delete really means making an account inactive. That removes it from your day-to-day lists without erasing your historical data, which is great for keeping reports accurate while tidying up your books. I'll walk you through how to get to your chart of accounts, how to inactivate an account you no longer use, and how to bring it back if you change your mind. First, sign into your QuickBooks account and open the chart of accounts. You can get there in two simple ways. The first is to click the gear icon at the top right, and under your company, choose Chart of Accounts. The second path is through the left-hand menu, click Accounting, then select Chart of Accounts. Both routes land you on the same page, so use whichever layout you see. If you don't have access, you may need admin permissions from whoever manages your books. Once you're on the Chart of Accounts, locate the account you want to remove. You can scroll through the list or use the search and filters to narrow by name, type, or detail type. Taking a moment to confirm the account's purpose and current balance helps ensure you're retiring the right one. When you're ready, look at the action column on the right edge of that row and open the drop-down. Choose Make Inactive. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm, so click Yes. After that, the account disappears from your active list and won't show up when creating new transactions. Your past transactions and reports remain intact, so you don't lose history. If QuickBooks displays a message about connected features or default accounts, review the note and proceed only if you're comfortable. Some system accounts can't be fully removed because they're needed for core functions. If you ever need that account back, it's easy to restore. Return to the chart of accounts, then click the small gear icon above the list. Check the box that says Include Inactive. You'll now see inactive accounts, often grayed out or labeled accordingly. Find the one you want, open its options, and select Make Active. The account immediately returns to your active list and becomes available again in forms and dropdowns, with all prior data preserved. That's it. You've learned how to clean up your chart of accounts by making accounts inactive and how to quickly reverse it if needed. As a best practice, double check that no ongoing rules or workflows rely on an account before you inactivate it, and consult your accountant if you're unsure.